As a newcomer, it can be hard to get started in the cryptocurrency market because it is so different from traditional financial markets. But there are a few cryptocurrencies that can be a good starting point for people who don't know much about the market and want to see how prices change. This video talks about the best beginner cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. It looks at a few projects that could be good investments for people who are just getting started in the market. Without further ado, let's jump right in and look at the best cryptocurrency for beginners to trade on the market right now. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. Number 1. Tamadage, Tama. Tamadage is one of the best places to start with crypto projects. Tamadage calls itself a play-to-earn doggy coin, and it wants to take advantage of how popular meme coins have become in the past year. Within the Tamadage ecosystem, players can make Tamadage pets and care for them until they are fully grown. Then, players can pit their pets against the pets of other users and earn Doge points for good play. The higher a user is on the leaderboard, the more points they have.